And kind of going into our next question. So, what has each of your favorite tools been for collaboration and brainstorming? Amy, if you want to start.
Sure. So I can speak for probably most of the people that work at Athena Health to say that Teams is definitely not our favorite tool, but offers a lot of value. You have to start with that. You have to start with, the video conferencing, some level of screen sharing, having the ability to have hands up for people so that you can make sure you're giving people their turn to speak. But really, in terms of actual good collaboration, a couple of tools that we've used very successfully, Mural is probably tippy top for really having a productive meeting. Great ability to be able to do, especially sort of like that whiteboarding with the sticky notes. It's a great replacement for that. And then tools that are built in, templates that help you sort of divide and conquer and ideate on complex and simple problems, forming vision, deciding what your priorities are. Personal use is also encouraged, but it's a really good high performance tool for that level of collaboration. And then more on the technical side, we successfully use Lucidchart a lot for whiteboarding. It gets kind of nerve-wracking at times to actually be drawing something on a screen and have the little sticky connectors moving all over the place. But this year we wouldn't have been able to do all of the work that we've done, from new security threat modeling to developing what our high trust posture looks like without that tool. So those are two that kind of come top of mind to me.
I can take it next. For my team, Slack it's the things that dreams of getting done are made of. It's so great for us because we're able to track what everyone is doing, and it does prevent us from having a lot of meetings, because the first thing everyone says is, okay, before we do a meeting update, just look in Slack and see where things are. So that's so helpful. But another communication tool that we use is an app called Voxer. And Voxer is so amazing because it allows us, and on my team, we only let other team members know that we're on Voxer. So everyone on here that's heard that I'm on Voxer, act like I never said that. It's top secret. It's a secret between you and I, and no one knows. So when it comes in, it's not like another ding. So I immediately know this is from the team member. Go and check it. And those emails that kind of end up at the bottom of the list of 5,000 emails you got, or the text messages, then text messages now look like email boxes. Voxer is one of those things where I know it's only my team members, and it's a great immediate source of communication. It's almost like a walkie-talkie, but we love it, and it's so great for us. So those are two tools that are game changers for myself and my team.
And I will reiterate too with Mural, because we've used that for design thinking. It's really good for brainstorming, collaboration. And I love to keep things simple. Amy, I'm like you. Teams is not on the top of my list either. No way, Jose. But Zoom is simple. Zoom is simple. It's so user-friendly. I mean, we're here on the platform today. That just speaks volumes. But especially for calendar management, I use Calendly. Calendly is an awesome tool. It integrates with, different email platforms. You can set reminders, multiple reminders, text reminders, because people have so many things going on these days that it's just a courtesy to think about, how can I help people to be more effective at their work using automation and artificial intelligence. And then because I work with a lot of people who are international, WhatsApp is great. And so I have a WhatsApp group, and if there's anything that needs to be addressed, especially if someone is working on social media or just, in general, we need to communicate really quickly, I'll drop that into my WhatsApp group because we're dealing with an international audience. So